Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vera's Kitchen. Today we are going to make half cakes. Yeah, and very easy to make. Yeah, they don't need much work. So I used 4 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I added a half a cup of sugar, but you can put it to taste. Then 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then I will mix that the dry ingredients. I'll mix them very well. Yeah, please mix the dry ingredients very well, and please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and like this video and comment below what you think. So I'll mix the dry ingredients very well, and then I added 2 tablespoons of butter. I used Prestige. And then make sure that your butter has incorporated very well with the flour for you to get good results. And then I added like 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence. My vanilla essence is not that strong, so I added 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, and then 1 cup of milk. Please add your milk little by little until you get the desired consistency that you will see in the video. Add your milk little by little. Yeah, as for me, I used almost the whole cup, if not all. And then for half cakes, you don't have to knead that much. You just want to mix your dough well, but no kneading that much. Yeah, just a little bit. You'll see the consistency, and that is it. Yeah, not that much. Please guys, so thank you so far for subscribing. Thank you so much. Take me to 100 subscribers, please. Yeah, and that's our dough. You see, it's not that soft and it is not that hard. Yeah, not soft and not hard. Not soft like mandazis and chapati or mahamri. So I'm going to roll. Yeah, I added flour to help me with the rolling with ease, and then I'll cut into shapes. You can cut into your desired shapes. Guys, you see my dough or my shapes are thick. Yeah, my half cakes are thick rather. Yeah, it will be that way. Don't roll that much. And then I'm going to fry. So for frying half cakes, guys, you don't have to use so much heat. Yeah, you use very little heat when you're placing the half cakes in the oil, and then you'll add your heat when your half cakes when you see your oil starting to cool down a little, you add your heat. Yeah, like for now I added my heat. Yes, you add your heat and then you remove from the pan. Yeah, so for them to be crunchy in the outside, on the outside. Yeah, you don't have to use so much heat. Like for now I switched off my cooker, yeah, completely, and then I place the half cakes, and then I'll switch on my cooker and place the heat on medium, right? Yeah, like that. So my half cakes are ready. Please, if you have any questions, do so on the comment section. I'll be sure to answer. Thank you for watching. God bless you guys. Bye.